Warning! This area may or may not contain crabs. In the event of a crab battle, follow these important steps. Maintain safe distance from pincers of steel. Apply goggles to avoid horrible eyeball removal. Assume horse stance. From this position, begin performing native dance to the tune of High Voltage by Electric Six.
Danger, danger, high voltage, when we touch, when we kiss.
Once Crab is paralyzed and confused by new disco tunes, retreat to safety. Then nuke sight from orbit, just to be sure. Crab battles cost dozens of lives every year. Studying these instructions and remembering them well may save the lives of you and your loved ones. Do not be deceived by the diminutive frame of crabs. Do not attempt to communicate or socialize with them. Should these steps prove ineffective, assume fetal position and weep.
Danger, danger, high voltage, when we touch.